Hi, everyone. Bonjour. Hola. Buongiorno. I am so excited to just share some really awesome news with everybody. I am here. Our first spring semester starts on Monday. How exciting is that? We have gone from offering one language to offering 8, which is just amazing. I mean, I'm so excited, and I am so just moved by the fact that think about as far as the school has come. It's just amazing to me, like that this time last year, we had 30 students in the school and I was the only teacher. And this year we have we have an amazing amount. So like I mentioned in a previous video that I did a Facebook Live, that we've had a significant amount of waiting list students for this spring semester. And we want to give every student an opportunity to take language. And so we decided to open up rolling enrollment. So what does that mean, rolling enrollment? Rolling enrollments means that we will start a new 15-week semester every month. So every month, we will offer new classes, so new semesters of classes. So in March, we'll be starting another semester. So if you missed out on the February spring enrollment, which you can still enroll until Sunday, and we do have a few classes with some room in them. So if you want to get in for the February classes, you definitely still can. The ones that are full will say full in our course catalog. But now, if you missed out, you can start in March. Isn't that cool? And then we'll start another semester after spring break in April, and then at the beginning of May, and then at the beginning of June. So you could take classes back to back. This is awesome because in the past, when it was just me, if you took a first semester of a class in the spring, you would have to wait all summer long. That's like 3 months to start the second semester. And that caused a lot of students to, kind of fall behind and forget what they had learned. So we had to do a lot of review. Now you can take a break if you want for the next semester, and you can wait, or you can enroll straight away into the next semester or the next year. So you don't have to wait. It's really, I think it's a really great solution to being able to offer classes at the time when you are able to take them, when you want to take them, when you have time in your schedule for your kids to take them, instead of having to stick to this strict semester schedule. And so, so that's what we've decided to do. We're going to do rolling enrollments and see how that goes. And this gives us the opportunity to take all those students who are on the waiting list currently off the waiting list and put them in the next starting semester. So if you missed out, or you don't want to have that time crunch to enroll for February, we have classes starting in March. We have classes starting in April, etc. In addition, I want to share with you, I'm about to start my travel tour. So I'm going to be going to France in about a month. And I have added another speaking engagement. So you'll be able to see me speak about 8 times in 2019 if you want to, 8 times. And I will be at the Great Homeschool Convention in Cincinnati, Ohio. I am so excited. I had the dates open up and I was like, I really need to go. So I will be talking about global citizenship education. I will be talking about language with the 5 senses. I will also potentially be talking about the importance of traveling with your children. And I will have copies of my book. My book comes out March 1st. So if you want to visit me at the Great Homeschool Convention, please come by and say hi. Feel free to attend one of my sessions. I'll also be at the Great Homeschool Convention in Ontario, California. I'll be in California 3 times this summer. Beginning of May, beginning of June, and mid-July. So if you don't have a chance to come see me in Ontario, California, you can see me in Anaheim or in Fresno. I would love to chat with you. So anyway, those are some awesome things that are going on, and I want you to have a wonderful rest of your day, a wonderful weekend, and hopefully we will see you in class or at one of the events. Merci, au revoir.